Cat 26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got the bazooka guy, soldier. Take some of these supports off, hopefully. And I hope you guys are doing well today. And girls. Girls first, guys second. Pretty neat guy here. Pull that off. We're going to paint him all green, I think. Bazooka and all. I'll set that up pretty soon to do that. Get that underneath there. And underneath the elbow here. These aren't very good. Let's try these instead. Pull that off. Piece right here. Okay. I think I'm going to have to get the pedestal out. And put him on the pedestal. Like that. We'll get an airbrush out here. And some thinner. And a mixing brush. And some green paint. Let's see. That's good. I'll use this one, I think. Put a little thinner in the bottom. Shake that up. Stir it up. We need an air hose down here. Get the air hose hidden down here. And start spray painting them. Okay. So that's one coat of green. Of course, we're going to put another coat of green, and he's all done. Okay, remember we used to play with these when we were kids? Yeah, I did. They were smaller, of course. And they're made out of plastic. They're made out of plastic then, too. There we go. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm a little out of focus here. There you go. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can only do it with your help. And that means please share, like, send it to your friends. And I hope you have an enjoyable day. Bye for now.